there be anything else?
Yes, do you have a Miss Piggy?
Out of the way, Dopey!
Yes.
He just went straight. Idiot. Fucking idiot. Dash cams.
Ủa nó quẹo qua luôn kia hả?
Nó quẹo chỗ mình đó.
You've arrived.
College. Book a tour at billanook.vic.edu.au.
Your city, your news. Melbourne's Gold 104.3.
6:29. Let's get the headlines now. Katrina Jones.
Holiday plans for thousands of Aussies are in the air after Brisbane entered a 3-day lockdown last night. 4 more cases were confirmed in the latest COVID outbreak.
You donkey!
You can fuck up.
Yeah, see these are all illegally parked. Look at the solid white line. It's illegally parked. Fucking can't park there. Another indicator. Great indicator, fuckwit. Okay, you're gonna fucking reverse, mate, when I'm fucking there, malaka. I understand why they put their indicators on here. They're not turning left.
Traffic. Eat, drink, shop and be
Stay in your fucking lane.
And Melbourne, located in Spotswood next to Science.
You know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Look around, round, look around, look around, round, look around, round, look around, round, look around, round, look around, look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one fad away from being retro. You're only one drug away from liking techno. You're only one glasses apart from dyslexia. You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia.
You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck You're only one download from this sub's copy.
Mate, why'd you cut me off?
Where'd I cut you off?
You got one car ahead.
Eh?
You got one car ahead and almost caused a crash.
You're doing 100 in the right lane.
And?
Like
it's a 100k zone.
You do 110.
It's before you cut me off. It's 100 until you get around that bend where you sped up and almost done 200k's. Then it's a 110.
Get up and ride it on race shot.
Mate, I don't give a fuck about racing.
Yeah.
I already called you in and I got it on dash cam.
Do what you want. I don't give a shit.
Mate, you almost caused a crash.
I didn't almost cause a crash. I didn't cut you off.
You want to see it?
I don't care.
You want to see it?
Yeah, go play it.
Alright, come here. You want to pull over and watch it?
Hey, I don't care about watching the video or not. I don't really care.
Oh, well, you'll see it on YouTube anyway.
Hey?
You'll see it on YouTube anyway.
That's good. Hopefully you get a lot of hits on it.
What is?
Like, are you just jealous because my car's quicker? Is that what it is?
I don't give a fuck whose car's quicker. You almost killed me.
Hey?
You almost caused a crash.
Yeah, okay, mate. Whatever.
Mate, get a life.
Bicycle riding creeps.
And they got special little hats, you know, they have special little hats to protect their special little heads.
There are some more people who ought to be smashed across the face repeatedly with a piece of heavy mining equipment.
Back up! Back the fuck up! Now! Come on, man. Stop the goddamn cab! Don't move that cab! Get up! Come on, get up! Back up, I mean it! I don't want to, but I will. You know I will. Come on! Drive! 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 Go! Get the fuck out of here!
Are you? What in the fuck are you doing?
Yep, red light.
What's your assessment of this alert?
It's a clusterfuck. Animals had cardiac specialized hair, although poison levels varied among the individuals.
Holy shit.
And most
once, Ian. There are a few places around here that have
types them unintentionally. Earth quacks. Much more interesting.
Oh, you
Rob
fucking idiot.
Palmer.
And then I must say I haven't been too great. And I now look at pictures of myself from when all of whom are very busy and doing things that they like. I have twins.
Right. The thing is that this entire movie is built around they've had this. People involved with this movie don't know.
You right? Dickhead. Dickhead.
Fucking left turn lane only, you idiot.
This guy's a fucking clown.
Oh, we're special. Don't worry about the fact that there's no lane there. Yeah, fucking retard, actually, but anyway. Look at this guy overtaking on a double line.
Right, get that guy. We are gonna sort him out.
You fucking idiot.